Are you looking to access money quickly to fund your business? Maybe you need things almost immediately to buy the equipment or inventory you need to get advertising campaigns off the ground, maybe even to cover payroll. Well, our finance suite offers you many solutions that can get you money very fast, months faster than you get money at a conventional bank. Look, if you walk into a conventional bank, you'd be lucky to even get approved unless you have excellent personal, business, and bank credit, tons of collateral, and also financials that show big revenues and profits. But even if you were to meet that criteria, it would still take you months to actually secure a conventional SBA loan. In our finance suite, we have a lot of different ways you can qualify for business financing very quickly, even when you can't get approved for conventional financing. One of the best and fastest ways to get money is called revenue financing. With revenue financing, there are multiple different programs available to help you get a loan or a credit line very quickly. By very quickly, I mean we're able to fund these deals within 24 to 48 hours or 72 hours at the longest, as long as you have the documents ready that we need to be able to finish the underwriting process. With revenue financing, all you need is a quick bank statement review of the last 6 months of your business bank statements. As long as you manage your bank accounts responsibly, you've been in business 1 year or longer, and you have $10,000 a month or more in revenue, you can get approved in 24, 48, or 72 hours and have the money in your bank account during that time. It's one of the fastest ways you can actually secure money for your business. Now, if you don't have consistent revenue, then maybe you have something such as good credit. Well, if you have good consumer credit or a guarantor that does, well, then unsecured financing is a perfect solution for you. You can obtain up to $150,000 in money even as a startup business, and you can get this money in typically a matter of a week and a half to 3 weeks, sometime even sooner. So this gives you access to the capital you need using your consumer credit to be able to qualify, or that of a guarantor. You're usually getting $50, $100, even $150,000 in financing. You can secure the money quickly to do the things you need to do, and it also helps you build your business credit at the same time. There's a lot of other type of financing that's very specific to what you may need to purchase. So let's say you need, for example, to purchase equipment, or let's say that what you're looking for is to purchase inventory. Well, there's financing specific for those purposes, so you could purchase the equipment that you need, the inventory that you need. Or maybe you have collateral such as a 401k or IRA or stocks or bonds. Well, with this kind of financing, again, you can get financing in usually 1.5 to 3 weeks time using 401k, stocks, bonds, other securities as collateral to qualify. And you can get loans and credit lines both with 5% interest rates or lower. So if you want access to the fastest type of money that you can access, the finance suite gives you that access that you need. It helps you get many different funding programs of which you can get money quickly based on your business strength, whether your business strength is collateral, cash flow, or good credit. Let's say you have none of those strengths. Well, in that case, you're not going to get money from a bank or from an alternative lender, but we still have another solution that can still help you access business money quickly, and that's our business credit builder. Through our business credit builder, you can actually get the money you need to start and grow your business the fastest way possible if you can't get a business loan. If you can get a business loan, as we just talked about, there's many different ways you can get money within days or a few weeks at the longest. But if you can't qualify for a business loan, then it could take you years to fix your consumer credit or build the revenue or obtain the collateral you need to qualify. But instead of waiting that time, you can also build your business credit and access high limit revolving credit accounts at most major stores, including Visa cards, MasterCards, fleet credit, even auto vehicle financing. That's all linked to your business name and requires no personal guarantee and no personal credit check for approval. So if you need to get your business off the ground faster, if you need to get the office supplies, if you need to get electronics, or if you need to get computers, or anything that Walmart sells or Amazon sells, or supplies at places like Lowe's and Home Depot or Sears, gas cards, any of these type of things, you can be able to obtain very quickly using our business credit builder. As a matter of fact, you can, through our business credit builder, access or net 30 accounts to fund your business that is trade credit immediately. The minute you start with building your business credit, you can access trade credit. Once that trade credit starts to report within 30 to 90 days, you can then start to get these kind of high limit credit cards at most major retail stores. By most major retail stores, I mean almost every major retail store, as you can see. You can get gas cards, you can get fleet cards, you can get office supplies, you can get furniture, almost anything that you need to buy, you're able to come in through the finance finance suite and access very, very quickly. And again, if there are things that you can't buy and maybe you don't need furniture at places like IKEA or computers at places like Apple, well, then you can even find Visa cards, MasterCards, fleet credit cards that you can use to access and use in multiple different locations so you could buy the things you need to buy. You could get the advertising you need, the marketing you need, even be able to get the cash out you need to actually pay things such as payroll. So no matter what your scenario, if you need money fast, if you need money as quick as possible, we have the solutions to help you do so, whether it's to buy things like business furniture, equipment, or even to get small loans or credit lines through places like Fundbox. These type of solutions will offer you $10 to even $100,000 working capital credit lines, and they can fund within 24 to 72 hours. So the finance suite is packed full of these solutions, whether it be one type of alternative financing, something that's based on your cash flow, your credit, or your collateral, or something that gets you the money to buy things like equipment or inventory, or maybe you don't have what it takes to qualify for a business loan, even through an alternative lender. That's when we move you to business credit, where you're able to get all these alternative solutions to still get the money quickly that you need to be able to fund and grow your business. So get in touch with us today to learn more about how we have multiple options that can help you quickly get the money that you need to start and grow your company.